Mr. Speaker Sir, I am very glad to offer my views on the draft plan. As far as I have understood, the plan has been prepared carefully, taking into consideration all the factors that are necessary for its implementation. There may be different opinion with regard to the framework of the plan. Instead of wasting our time in such discussions, it would be better to act in a way as to get good out of it. I can use this opportunity to make some suggestions which I hope wait with the government at a later stage when those amendments take a final shape. First of all, I would like to say a few words about the approval of layouts by the town planning authorities. As we all know, for all practical purposes, this approval is very necessary. So, a man who wants to buy a small piece of land for building a house prefers to go in for an approved plot. But as things stand at present, I think there is no way for him to find out whether the plot he is having in mind is an approved one or not. So he has to take the seller at his word in this regard. This is not the case in respect of the other aspects of such a transaction. If the buyer wants to make sure that there are no previous encumbrance of the property which he intends to buy, he can always get a certificate from the authorities of the registration department. Similarly, he can get exact from the registers maintained by the revenue authorities. But as far as I know, there is no such arrangement in the town planning. In view of the importance of the approval by the town planning authorities, I request the Honorable Minister to think in terms of bringing into being some arrangement by which the prospective buyer will have a ready means of finding out of the real position direct from the town planning department. If my suggestion finds favor with the Honorable Minister, the scheme may be introduced in the metropolitan area in the first instance and then extended to other cities. The only other point which I would like to mention is about the approval of building plans. I am of the view that there should be no delay at all in the disposal of applications for the approval of these plan. Letter from Mumbai Warehouses Limited, Mumbai, to Messrs. Calcutta Jute Company, Calcutta. Dear Sirs, this is in reply to your letter of the 5th instant for which we thank you very much. You will be glad to learn that we are the oldest and largest warehouses keepers in the country. We can provide you all the facility you need for storing your goods. The performance of all functions as the owner of the goods may direct us to do from time to time. In addition to the holding of the stocks on behalf of the owner, we also report upon the weight, quality and condition as well as arrange for the marketing, sale and delivery of goods. Our firm is well equipped with the latest machinery and equipment. We offer every facility for the collection and delivery of goods to any place in the country. All goods are insured against loss by fire, guarded against theft and preserved from decay and consequent damage. Yours faithfully.